Goa State Legal Service Authority, in collaboration with the ARZ Anyay Rahi Zindagi, an NGO, organized an awareness program on sex trafficking in Goa at Kalangut Beach on Saturday evening. During this awareness drive, the youngsters and members of the NGOs conducted flash mobs and shared information highlighting the present scenario on sex trafficking in Goa.
Any woman is today given free legal aid, irrespective of her economic financial status. So also various other persons like industrial workers, person coming from scheduled caste, or minors, person in custody, whatever, they are entitled for legal aid. We give them free legal aid. So also our this organization, this authority campaigns against all evil practices such as drugs, human trafficking, alcoholism, gambling, whatever, all evil practices. We make awareness and to see that they come to an end, these practices. So today we have organized this. Our students have come to spread awareness combating human trafficking.
Organization URS, which is a nodal NGO working towards combating sex trafficking in Goa for the last 23 years. Now, if you go to see in Goa, somewhere our experiences have been is that Goa has become a destination for sex trafficking. The recent NCRB data, which was released last month, shows that a large number of the maximum number of cases registered for sex trafficking is in Goa per capita the population, and that's good one way. That shows that the police is taking initiative in taking action against those who are involved in sex trafficking. We have been till now mainly focusing on rescuing girls and their rehabilitation. Somewhere we feel that if we have to combat sex trafficking, we need to take action against those who are creating demand. And if you go to see who is creating demand, it's basically the tourists who come here to buy sex. And that's the reason the girls are being trafficked from various parts of India as well as outside India. So rescued by the police are kept. We try to ensure that the girls are sent back to their families, they are reintegrated and they are not re-trafficked. So that part post-rescue, our government is doing a good work. But where we are lacking is that not taking action against the clients who are coming and buying sex. And since they are creating a demand, the girls from various parts of India are getting trafficked to Goa.
No, the main thing is in Kalang.